what is the color of this board? Yes, this board is grey in color. Now, in a cricket field, you must have noticed this, that while the players try to catch a ball when the ball comes towards them, the same ball, when it comes towards an umpire, he tries to let it pass. So, they see the ball with their eyes, they think about it, and then they act accordingly. Similarly, even you did the same thing when I asked you the question to answer the color of the board. You saw the color of the board, you thought about it, and then you gave me an answer. So, what gives reaction to the action? Well, let us try to find an answer through this example. This is a 2-year-old baby boy. Now, apparently, he has normal looking eyes. But let me tell you, this little boy is blind. Now, how did this happen? Well, the organ that controls the reactions is the brain. And the brain is present in our head. Information goes to the brain does the thinking part, and then the processed thoughts or the processed information is then scattered to the different parts of the body. And that is how we give a reaction. So brain controls reactions of the body, and then it sends the reactions through these fiber-like structures in the body. Now these fiber-like structures also carry information from the sense organs like the eyes to the brain. Now in the case of the young boy, what happened was these fiber-like structures from the eyes to the brain was faulty, and that is the reason he was blind. Now, just like wires carry electrical signals from the switch to the bulb, and that is how the bulb glows, similarly, these fiber-like structures carry information from and to the brain. So these fiber-like structures are known as the neurons. So brain together with the neurons in the body form the nervous system.